When Indira Gandhi could not touch them, when Indira Gandhi could not touch RSS, how come Priyanka Gandhi can make? This is the statement by BJP.
See, BJP don't know their own history. When Nehru ji and Sardar Patel ji had banned them, जाके गिड़गिड़ाए थे ना, जाके पैर पड़े थे. And when Indira Gandhi ji also had banned, please look at the letters the Sar Sanchalak had written to Mrs. Gandhi, saying that the emergency was much required, and it is a great thing that has happened to the country. They let them first read their own editorials in Organizer, and if there is some misconception about RSS about with me, I would request them to clarify my doubts. Simple, simple है ना भाई. I am asking why they are not registered. Why can't they register? What law applies to me and to you and to any other institution in the country? आप पर भी लागू होना चाहिए ना. That's all. And if you are not able, convince me. Tell me, no, Priyank, your thought process is wrong. Your interpretation of law is wrong. I can take Dakshina how I want. I can do marches how I want. The constitution is not applicable to me. The law is not applicable to me. Let them explain to me, and I'm ready to listen. They want to come to my office, I will welcome them. You want me to come to your shaka, I will come and sit in Keshav Krupa and understand what is it that allows you to function like this. I'm asking them openly, sir. Either you call me to your Jagannath Bhavan or Keshav Krupa and tell me legally how what you are doing is correct, or you come to my office and explain to me what you are doing is correct.